Where's Mr. Ruiz? I got a test on Monday. I can't find him. He's not at his desk. Where could it be? Freaking arithmetic sequences that I don't know crap about. Where is he? Oh, God. What are you doing? Mr. Ruiz. Wake up, Mr. Ruiz. We have a test on Monday. I don't know anything about arithmetic sequences, and I need your help. Because if I don't pass this test, I'm gonna see you here next year, and I kind of don't want to do that. Can you help me, Mr. Ruiz? Mr. Ruiz. Mr. Ruiz. Mr. Ruiz.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I think I've done this video like 5 times, and yeah.
Hey, sometimes things don't go as planned out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So you need help?
Yeah, I need help with this.
I'll help you.
I don't know anything about formulas.
With the arithmetic sequences?
Yeah, I don't know anything about formulas. I know nothing.
Right.
And I feel like your class period is the best class to sleep in. That's my reason.
That's disrespectful.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Just being, honest.
Here's your formula. A(n) equals A1 plus D, parentheses, n minus 1, close parentheses. So, A is the number you start with in the sequence.
Okay.
N is the number or term that you are looking for.
Okay.
And D is the difference in between each number in the sequence.
Would it always be -1? Because
Yes.
that's something I always struggle with.
Yeah. Yes, it will always be -1.
Alright. It makes sense.
Yes, and that's your formula.
Alright, is that it? For the formula?
Yes.
Alright, so what do you got for me, Mr. Ruiz?
I'm just gonna show you how to do this problem.
And it says, find the 13th term in the sequence. But, before all that, does that say Puerto Rico?
Yes.
As far as I know, I thought you were Mexican.
Look, you're a disgrace for telling me that. I am Puerto Rican, nothing else.
Alright, well, I'm sorry, I'm just...
Disgrace to your own race.
I still think you're Mexican.
Get out of my classroom.
Well, no, I need your help, Mr. Puerto Rican.
Okay, then.
Alright, so, 13th term.
Okay.
Are we still gonna use...
No, let me teach you first.
I'm sorry.
Okay. So, A1.
My God, my teacher.
Okay, here, I'm sorry. So, find the 13th term in the sequence. So, the formula, A1 plus B n minus 1. So, we start plugging it in. A1 is the first number in the sequence.
Which is 7, right?
Yes. Plus D is the difference, which is plus 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13.
Okay.
And so on. So 3. And then N is what we were looking for, which is the 13th term.
Okay.
13 minus 1. Okay. And
12,
then,
right?
yes, 13 minus 1 equals 12. And then you have to multiply 12 times 3.
Which equals
36.
Okay.
36. And then 7 plus 36 equals
a number. I got
38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43.
43.
Equals 43.
And that will be the 13th term?
Yes, the 13th term will be 43.
Alright. Alright. Okay, Mr. Ruiz. I don't know why you're playing with your balls when I'm supposed to be learning. I would really appreciate it if you put your balls away.
I don't care about your opinion. I'm the teacher and you're not supposed to be touching my stuff.
Don't put your balls away. So I need to learn. Put the balls away. I have a final and you're over here playing with your balls. Put them all
Let me
away.
play with my balls.
Can you help me out? I need a practice problem.
Yes, sure. Here, I already have one for you. I want you to find the 13th term in the sequence.
The third term?
The third term, yes.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna be using that formula like always.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you know it?
The formula?
Yes.
A1
A1
minus
plus,
it's plus.
yes,
Okay then. After that it's n
D
d parentheses n minus 1.
minus 1.
Okay.
That's your formula. Don't forget it.
Okay. I gotta keep studying that.
Okay.
For
So
a1.
now plug in everything.
So
What is
a1.
A1?
13. That's the first
13.
term.
Yes.
Then after that will be d, which is the difference, which is in this case will be 13 too.
13. Yes.
Then parentheses the n, which is the number term you want, which in the
Mm-hmm.
problem it says 3,
Yes. Minus 1.
like always, because minus 1
Mm-hmm.
that's something you always gonna use.
Yes.
So
And then
2
2 times 13
equals 26,
equals 26.
and 26 plus 13 equals a number.
27,
39,
28, 29, 30,
39.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36,
It's
37,
the
38, 39 equals
39.
39. I'm just making sure.
Okay, you're the teacher.
Equals 39.
And that's it, right?
Yes.
All
The
right.
third term is 39.
Alright, it makes sense. Here we go.
So I have another question for you.
Oh my god. Here we go again.
Okay.
I'm
so
already ready to go home and he keeps
here's your
giving me questions.
Here's your question. Using the following numbers, find the common difference in the sequence.
That's a negative number you just gave me.
Yes, it's a negative number. It's a harder, and you have to learn how to use the negative numbers. Especially
Alright.
in this sequence, and they are very easy to get.
And you want me to do it?
Yes, I do.
Alright.
And I want the rest of the class to get it too.
Alright.
So, are you finishing there?
I just finished.
Okay.
You want me to explain how I got the answer?
Yes, go ahead.
So I used this formula, which is the formula you've been giving me.
Mm-hmm.
A1, which is the first term, which is negative 32, which is right here.
Yes.
The difference, which is 18, which I subtract 58 minus 40, I got 18.
You subtracted 58 minus 18, which equals 40.
I went 58 minus 40, which equals 18.
Yes, you said 58 minus 40.
Well, I'm sorry. Okay. Then I used n, which is the number, the term you wanted me to get, which is 2, minus 1. I got 1 here, multiplied by 18, got 18. Brought negative 32 down. I added it to 18. And for my final answer, I got negative 14.
Alright, I taught my student good. I hope you guys can learn from this
I taught
video
myself
too.
good. I don't know what you're talking about.
Got this, bro. Got this.
I don't want to be here again next year.
You'll pass
I'll try
because
my
you
best.
have a good teacher.
Good brain.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed my video about arithmetic sequences. It's pretty simple. You just have to remember the formula, and you just have to plug it in. Remember, A1 is just the first number in the sequence. D is the difference in between the sequences, in between each number. And N is the number you want. Okay. Featuring Josiel.
Have a good summer, guys.
Yeah. Hope you guys have a good summer too. By the way, this is
Panda.
Oh no, this is Backle.
Bug worthy.
Yes, it is.
Panda.
Mhm.